With the booming development of robotics technology, collaborative robots are playing a vital role in many industries. Dobot collaborative robots, with them being safe, flexible, and user-friendly, are deployed in more application scenarios and is experiencing a continuous growth in customers.
整个机器人使用非常简单，客户的技术人员只需要经过我们系统的培训，就可以轻松熟练地使用和维护机器人。为此，我们也建立了培训中心，更好地赋能合作伙伴的技术人员，为他们提供产品使用全周期的培训服务。
The Dobot Academy has comprehensive robot training facilities. Customers can acquire robot operation skills, learn about robotic ecosystem, accessories, case studies, and more. Based on years of experience in robot deployment, the Dobot training team has developed a series of training courses, from basic knowledge to practical experience, and also covered product maintenance and upgrades at a later stage. Besides, Dobot picked the typical application cases and solutions in the industry and put them into courses, increasing customers' efficiency when deploying and using robots.
粤江培训中心根据客户的需求以及技术能力，开发了与之相匹配的课程，覆盖产品使用的各个阶段，全面保障机器人的生产力。
We include standard courses and customized courses. Standard courses include basic training, advanced training, application training, and special skills training. Basic training mainly aims at operators. After training assessment, customers can master the commonly used functions of the robot to allow the start of a production quickly. Advanced training mainly targets the group of on-site engineers. After training and assessment, customers can independently upgrade and transform production lines according to their production needs. Application training mainly targets the software engineer group by providing training or conduct technical seminars for technical exchanges. This allows users to use Dobot robots more efficiently in order to improve on production processes. Special skills training mainly targets the group of engineers with sophisticated needs using Dobot products. This is also conducted in technical seminars to meet the customer's needs to enhance their specialized skills and allow them to accumulate experience. There will be an assessment after the training. Customers who pass the assessment will receive an authorization certificate from Dobot. Transformation from a beginner to an industrial expert.
我之前没有接触过协作机器人，粤江的课程设计很灵活，讲师的授课内容也非常通俗易懂。经过这2天的学习，我已经能独立完成很多机器人的基本操作，还体验了机器人螺丝锁腹的专项课程，对我们在之后生产中使用机器人有很大帮助。
近几年，粤江机器人在我们这的出货量越来越大，客户对机器人维护、保养方面的需求一直在增加。跟粤江沟通后，他们为我们定制了专属的培训课程。通过培训，我们在故障排查、维护技巧这些方面更专业了。
Currently, in China, Japan, Germany, and the US, Dobot has set up 7 training centers. We are expecting in 2 years' time, Dobot will work with global distributors to jointly build tens of Dobot certified training centers to help more customers obtain greater value and benefits from using robots.